we are, the next Diag, Lincoln Town Car. Guys, car's been a no start for a while. And what do we have? Oh no. All right. Take a look and see. No dash. All right. Let's go check the. Oh man, look at that. Uh-oh. Well, follow up. We will follow up. Customer concern was a crank no start. Verified concern. Scantool had no communication with the PCM. So we did our basics like always: power is ground, ignition. We checked our bus signal coming to the PCM and we had good waveforms. We load tested our powers and grounds. We were okay. So we went ahead and checked a 5-volt reference circuit and 0.5 volts. And that is coming out of the reference circuit at the PCM. And then just to make sure, a little overkill, disconnected the IAT. Went there, 5-volt ref, 0.4. So after we unplugged a bunch of sensors, Scanner Danner special. For y'all that don't know, go check them out. Paul Danner on YouTube. Disconnected all these sensors up here. None of them were it. Started with the easiest ones first, then we went underneath, did the crank. Still no go. Come back here to the trunk. Disconnect our fuel pump pressure sensor, or fuel tank pressure. I'm gonna set y'all down. I'm gonna disconnect. So, disconnect our sensor. Actually, that whole connector with the fuel pump. But our 5-volt ref is back. Now, obviously, the car won't start because fuel pump's disconnected. But that's our problem. So we went ahead and we disconnected the fuel pressure sensor. Now the vehicle starts. And what we found when we came to disconnect it, after we found the connector in the trunk, they had done a sending unit already. And you can see there's the sensor right up there, and it runs along this way and comes down the sensor wire, and it got pinched when they put the fuel tank in. So we just went ahead and cut the circuit. Customer's gonna take it back to the shop, have them make the repairs. But it works, it runs, it's good. Another one fixed.